Good morning, David here with his weekly wheat look. Today is Saturday 31st of March. Last trading day was yesterday 30th, and as usual we're looking at the daily UK wheat chart for November 2012, and we've got the daily bar chart in front of us. And as you can see, our target we've been calling for the last month and a half, 162, has been hit and broken clearly, and we went up to fill this gap here as indicated at 163. We did have a pullback during the week, which is quite normal when you've had such an aggressive breakout. This came back down to test the 50% retracement, 155. So we just put some lines here. That was the top, 164. Where was the bottom? And we had a rise here. This is the last swing low here, 146. So 50% of that was 155, which it came down to test and has gone back up here to 161.70. Right, where's our targets now? Let's put some numbers on it. Let's get some thing here. Right, okay. If you work on the theory of the Elliott wave theory, so the market has had one. Oh, let's get rid of that. Sorry. Let's have we've got had an impulse move here of £20 a ton from a low here, 136 in December. So basically, the market normally moves in a 5-wave pattern. So this is what this is wave 1. We've had a retracement down here, 146. You can calculate from the distance of wave 1 that wave 2 target will be 168, which is here. So my upside target now is looking for a test here and a break of 168. So basically, we should get this kind of. Oops, I'll get rid of that again. Get that. So we had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, which is 168, and then we'll see some kind of retracement. As long as this retracement doesn't take out the high of this wave 1, which is here. Okay, you can see that quite clearly, and then we should have the final wave here, which is the top of wave 5. Now the top of wave 5 you can calculate by the start of wave 1 would give you an upward target of £200 a ton. So that is ultimate target if this market keeps going up in this upwards trend. So basically we're looking for 168 here, which is this wave clearly here marked, which is here. Okay, a pullback, and then our ultimate target would be £200 a ton. But obviously above this 168, I've put in my last two previous videos, we have still got a gap fill here of 170. But as always, markets don't go up in a straight line, so we are going to see some retracement upward move. But if we just come back to the pure basics, we've got the 200-day moving average here now turning up, and we've got the 50 clearly going up and the 30 clearly going up. So we're in a good upwards trend at the present moment, monthly upwards trend, and we've just got to use these targets. So let's put some recap that we're looking for a hold of 155, 156. Next upside target is 168, and then we'll probably look for some retrace, gap fill of 170 with an ultimate target on a wave count of an Elliott wave of £200 a ton. But obviously that's way in the future, but obviously we have got an upwards trend at the present moment, so look to buy on any dips or sell into the strength. Thank you for watching, and I'll have an update this time next week. Thank you.